Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to Awesome English. This is lesson 6 in our series on how to write a sci-fi narrative. In our previous lesson, we wrote the problem. So in this lesson, we're going to focus on writing the resolution. So this is where the problem, we resolve or solve it through some awesome strategies. Let's get started. All right, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. So our first objective, to know the purpose of a resolution paragraph. Then, to be able to practice writing a resolution, we're going to do one together. Then, to use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. And our final one is to use those literary devices to make our writing awesome. Let's get started. Okay, so what is a resolution paragraph? Well, this paragraph is all about resolving or solving that problem that we wrote in the previous paragraph. Now, it doesn't always have to be a happy resolution. Things can still go wrong or even worse. Either way, something gets resolved or solved. Let's get learning. All right, let's do a think, pair, share. So if you're in class, you can talk to the person next to you or just brainstorm yourself. If you've been following our sci-fi series, you know that our character Sally is in big trouble. She's inside an alien ship and things are getting weird. So, with the person next to you or by yourself, have a think of how this problem can be resolved or solved. Spend some time sharing some answers now. Okay, I hope you had some fun resolving or solving Sally's problem. Now, let's do one together. I'm going to give you an example of a resolution paragraph. Let's check it out. Alright, so before we get started, remember you can write down any ideas you want to copy or use in your resolution paragraph. You may also want to annotate or spot any of those little devices. Alright, let's check it out. It was the next morning that Sally groggily woke. She didn't know how much time had elapsed. The digital watch on her wrist was broken. She was still wearing her favorite pajamas. After some time, Sally began to remember what had happened. She reached for her phone and recalled the terrible event to the local police. "You are not alone," they whispered. "Many people experienced this last night." "Beep, bop, bop," said the officer. Sally dropped the phone as if it was on fire. The last words of the policeman rang in her head again and again. Half stumbling, she ran to the door. Wee-oo, 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 bleep, bleep. A siren echoed around the house. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Sally's alarm clock rang out. Okay, now it's over to you. Now that you have this example of a resolution paragraph, go and draft your own. Remember to copy and innovate ideas that you like. Over to you. Start drafting. Alright, thanks for learning us today at Awesome English. I hope you've had success writing your own resolution paragraph for a sci-fi narrative. So now it's over to you for some independent learning. You can keep consolidating your learning by writing another resolution paragraph. You might want to read through your draft and edit it. Maybe you can up-level your draft by adding new adjectives or improving the literary devices you use. Either way, remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.